Welcome to India with Shutterbug in Norway. A journey not of miles but of spirit begins here. Kolkata, the city of joy, where the Hooghly flows beneath the mighty Howrah Bridge and life never stops. The morning air smells of hot tea, fresh Hilsa fish, and the sweetness of rasgulla. In Kumartuli, clay turns into gods and devotion takes form in every sculptor's hand. Now we climb to Darjeeling, the queen of the hills, wrapped in mist and melody. Tea gardens stretch across the clouds, and the snow peaks of Kanchenjunga shine in the morning sun. The toy train whistles through the fog, carrying dreams along the mountain tracks. At Devaprayag, two rivers unite to form eternity. From Kolkata to Darjeeling, from Rishikesh to Devaprayag, this is more than travel. It is devotion, discovery, and the soul of India. Wait for Shutterbug in Norway, India trip in 2026. From the city of joy to the sacred rivers to the mountain skies, the journey returns. Like, share, subscribe.